Seventh graders. All right, circle refresher. Okay, so I have two circles here. All right, I've got two lines. All right, one line that goes halfway across the circle, that's called a radius. This other line that goes all the way across the circle, passes through the center point, that is called a diameter. All right, and you guys already know that. Oh, my writing's too big. All right, so we have a radius, halfway across the circle, diameter, all the way across the circle. All right, the formulas from last week that you need to remember are area, and to find the area of a circle, it is A equals pi times the radius squared. All right, so in order to find the area of a circle, you need to know what its radius is, which is halfway across. Now be careful, because sometimes they'll give you a diameter. You don't need a diameter for area. You need the radius. All right, so you had a diameter of, let's say, 12 centimeters. All right, you need to know that the radius is half the diameter. So the radius in this particular case is 6. So if I wanted to find the area of this particular circle, I would do A equals pi, which we're going to use as 3.14. That's an approximation, times my radius, which I know is 6, squared. All right, and 3.14 times 6 squared is 36. You could always use your calculator for that, just 6 times 6. All right, and the area of this particular circle is 3.14 times 36. That gives us 113, approximately 113 and 4 hundredths. All right, and we always have square units and for this centimeter squared. The other formula you need to remember is circumference, and we have two of those. All right, circumference, remember, is just the perimeter or the distance around that circle. And the two formulas for circumference, which we'll use as a C, are C equals 2 pi times your radius, or C equals pi times your diameter. All right, these are essentially the same formulas because 2 times your radius is your diameter. All right, but if they give me a diameter, I'm going to use this formula. If they give me a radius, I'm going to use this top formula. All right, let's deal with that 12 centimeter diameter. The circumference of this particular circle is C equals pi, 3.14, times my diameter, which is 12. All right, multiply those together. 37 and 68 hundredths. 37 and 68 hundredths. And that's centimeters. All right, and that's a distance. So I don't need to square the units. It's just a one-dimensional distance, like a length. All right, so those are the formulas from last week. A little refresher. If you guys are doing word problems, remember, all right, read the question twice, circle important numbers, underline keywords. All right, good luck.